Here's an update on Tropical Storm Bertha. Maximum sustained winds are 45 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is 1,000 millibars. The center is over land, over southeastern Louisiana near New Orleans, and moving west at 7 miles per hour. This is advisory number 14. The guidance shows only slight weakening over the next 24 hours, keeping it at tropical storm strength through the time it reaches the upper Texas coast. That means the storm should still have strong winds when it nears the coast. After moving inland in Texas, the storm is expected to fall apart and dissipate by Thursday night or Friday. In plain terms, the organized circulation should break down soon after landfall, and the strongest winds will weaken. The forecast cone brings the center near or along the Louisiana coast tonight and Thursday, then toward the upper Texas coast by Thursday afternoon. That track puts a broad stretch of the northern Gulf Coast at risk of tropical storm conditions. Tropical storm watches and warnings are in effect for portions of the Gulf Coast from Alabama to Texas. A coastal flood warning is in effect for the Mississippi and Louisiana coastlines, where moderate coastal flooding is expected. Residents of those areas should prepare now, keeping in mind exact impacts will depend on the storm's track and strength. People in that warning area should expect sustained strong winds that can snap small branches and cause scattered power outages tonight into Thursday. Those under the watch should prepare for the possibility of tropical storm conditions within the next day or so. Main hazards for the region include damaging wind, coastal flooding, heavy rain, and dangerous surf along the northern Gulf Coast. Tropical storm force winds extend out to about 160 miles from the center. That means places some distance from the center can still experience strong gusts as the system moves west. Gusty winds will continue across the warned area through Thursday, spreading west with time. Expect windy periods and the possibility of scattered power outages along coastal Louisiana and toward the upper Texas coast. Storm surge could flood normally dry areas near the coast in parts of the warned area. Especially if the peak surge arrives at high tide, the detailed surge map is at TropicalInfo.com. That means low-lying roads, yards, and some buildings may see shallow flooding, especially if the highest water arrives at high tide. The strongest band of wind and rain is mainly south and southeast of the center, over the Gulf. That band is expected to start pushing onshore into far southeastern Louisiana later tonight as the storm continues moving west. See the full forecast, maps, and latest data at TropicalInfo.com. Turn on location alerts to stay ahead of the next storm.